Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix tracking on FreeCash using a PC. Let's get started. First, use the right browser. FreeCash works based on Google Chrome, so open Chrome on your PC. Next, go to the FreeCash website and log into your account. Now, let's fix the most common tracking problem. At the top of your browser, click the lock icon. Next to the website address, click on Site Settings. Make sure these are set to allow cookies, pop-ups and redirects, ads and JavaScript. Now open Chrome settings, go to the privacy and security, then cookies and other site data, turn on allow third-party cookies. Next, check your extensions. If you are using an ad blocker, disable it for FreeCash or turn it off completely. Ad blockers can stop tracking. Do not use VPN. VPNs can break tracking and cause offers to not credit. When starting an offer, always click the offer directly from FreeCash. Do not refresh the page or open it in a new tab. Complete the offer in the same browser and on the same PC. And that's it. That's how you fix tracking on FreeCash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.